primary industry served is aerospace. We also do defense, we do some medical, high performance marine, and we've dabbled in many other things over the years. A little bit of history about K&G Manufacturing. This company has been here since 1937. It was originally founded by a partnership. That's where the K&G name came from. Shortly after World War II, the company split and the partnership was split at that point. And the G in the K&G has been the sole proprietor since.
So the first I heard about the powRgrip was when I first got into the tool crib manager position, and we were looking into heat shrink, and powRgrip was the next one, and I really liked the powRgrip, and it happened to be that Productivity was doing a demo on it, so we got it in here, started using it, and we've loved it ever since. We were originally using a milling chuck, and we were getting about 20,000 inches in tool life. With switching to a REGO-FIX, not changing speeds and feeds, just changing the holder, same end mill and everything, we went to 60,000 to 70,000 inches in tool life. We have a part that we run. It's on 4 different machines. It's a high quantity job, and we needed to implement it so we can get parts out the door faster, and powRgrip really helped us move forward with that. Since switching to powRgrip, we're actually seeing better finishes on our parts with not changing speeds and feeds. Just by putting a different holder in, our end mills are creating better finishes. It's crazy to see that just by changing a tool holder, what benefits you can get. We don't have to change tools as much. We do have setup carts next to the machines, so we have them preset for our operators, so they don't have to change it. And now going to REGO-FIX with longer tool life, it's just better all around.
When I get asked what separates us from our competition, I generally answer, we do the kinds of things that our competition either won't or can't do because of the precision.
Now that we own powRgrip system, we're going to be looking at pushing it a little bit more, as I like to say it, saying that we're going to get more hog out parts in the future. So going to the secure grip, we can really push that tool, bump the speeds and feeds up, and go from there.